Here's a fact for you.
I've sued the Trump administration 76 times. But who's counting?
And here's one more. The Supreme Court, Civil Branch, New York County has a total of 24 permanent Supreme Court justices authorized to serve. Additionally, there are 20 temporary justices and 12 certificated retired justices who are temporarily designated to the appellate division. These justices play a crucial role in ensuring justice for the residents of New York County by handling civil cases and making decisions on various legal matters.
Now, did you notice how close 56 judges and 76 trials are? Pretty damn close if you ask me. It's so close to 76, it's as if it's given a little wiggle room if 56 trials didn't have the chance to be heard in front of 56 justices. I don't know how close of a gap there is between whatever it is to 100%, but I know it's pretty damn close, and with future intentions to continue with weaponizing the law against Trump, it guarantees that one of Letitia James' cases would land right on Justice Engoron's desk. Yes, with recognizing how cheesy this sounds, I'm still going with it. Fact. Justices are designated by the administrative judge to handle different types of cases. Upon filing of a request for judicial intervention, a case is assigned at random via computer to one of the justices designated for that category of case. Now, check it.
In the fraud trial involving former U.S. President Donald Trump, the administrative judge Arthur Engoron ruled against Trump and his co-defendants. The judge found that many of the defendants' claims were clearly fraudulent, to the extent that a trial was not even necessary to hear them. As a result of this ruling, Trump has been ordered to pay approximately $454 million in total penalties. This staggering figure includes about $355 million in disgorgement, a term for returning ill-gotten gains, and more than $98 million in prejudgment interest at a 9% annual rate. Additionally, Judge Engoron barred Trump from serving as an officer or director of any New York corporation for 3 years, and also prohibited him from applying for loans from any New York chartered or registered financial institution during that time. The trial was held without a jury, and the judge delivered the final decision. Trump's attorney has stated that they will appeal the ruling, but the appeals process could take several years to resolve. This legal battle stemmed from New York Attorney General Letitia James' lawsuit, which accused Trump, his 2 adult sons, his company, and top executives of fraudulently inflating Trump's assets to boost his stated net worth and obtain various financial perks.
Now we got one last thing for you before listening to your conclusion.
Trump's civil fraud trial judge defends questioning potential perjury from witness. By Kara Scannell, CNN. CNN None. The judge overseeing the New York Attorney General's fraud case against Donald Trump defended his questioning of a potential guilty plea by a longtime ally of Trump, saying allegations that he is not impartial are getting old. The exchange is the latest in a long-running case fraught with tension as the parties await the judge's ruling, which could significantly impact the former president's business in New York. Judge Arthur Engoron has asked the lawyers for Trump and the Attorney General's office whether he should consider the possible perjury admission by former Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg, as reported by CNN, The New York Times, and numerous news organizations, and if it should impact the timing of his decision, which is expected this month. A judge holds the fate of Trump's empire. What to know about the coming verdict? In a letter Wednesday, Trump's lawyers said it would be improper for the judge to consider anything that did not come into evidence during the 45-day trial, and calls into question the impartiality of the court. The Attorney General's office urged the judge to rule, saying a criminal investigation could go on indefinitely.
All right, with that end quote, how can anyone say this wasn't premeditated hostile intent if it promises to continue weaponizing the law against Trump for the unforeseeable future? It's not just a possibility that Miss James and Justice Engoron had some criminal conspiracy going on before court to take out Trump, it promises they'll continue to. Given all this, how could anyone think differently?